In Guatemala, nearly 4,000 people were evacuated on Monday from areas around Fuego Volcano, which began violently erupting overnight. The volcano spewed out dangerous flows of fast-moving clouds of hot ash, lava, and gas, and more than 2,000 people had taken refuge in shelters so far. According to authorities, there were no immediate reports of injuries. However, more dangerous flows of hot ash and lava could be expelled. This is the fifth eruption so far this year of the volcano, one of the most active in Central America. In June, explosive flows from Fuego killed more than 190 people.